my beautiful people, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, as you can see, I am making cassava leaf torborgee. I haven't had cassava leaf in a while, so I was so excited. Let's get started right now. I have all the meat I will be using in this pot. Feel free to use any kind of meat you have. I am adding only half of the blended ingredients. I kept the rest for later. I am adding enough water to cover the meat. In this pot, I am heating up some palm oil. I will add the cassava leaf, some seasoning, and the other half of the blended ingredients. I will let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes. I remove the fish, chicken, and shrimp and set it aside. I am adding the smoked turkey, chicken feet, and the broth to the cassava leaf. You can add a little bit of peanut butter, but it's optional. The meat, and I'm also adding a little bit of palm oil. You can also add torborgee oil if you have some. I will let this cook for 5 more minutes. I turned the stove off before adding the Cuisine soda and the country soda. When the soup starts looking this good, you know it's eat time. It's been a while since I had cassava leaf, and let me tell you, this was heaven on earth. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.